Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Rev to export SRT files into Premiere, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Rev account. Once logged in, navigate to the Files section on the main dashboard. Locate the project for which you want to export SRT files. Click on the project to open its details. On the Project Details page, look for the Download button. Select the Download option. In the drop-down menu, choose SRT from the available formats. The SRT file will now be processed. Wait for the file to finish processing. Once the processing is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the SRT file to your computer. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. In Premiere, go to the File menu. Select Import from the drop-down options. Locate the downloaded SRT file on your computer. Click on the SRT file and hit Open. The SRT file will now be imported into your Premiere project. To view the captions, drag the SRT file into your timeline. Adjust the timing if necessary to sync with your video. To finalize, export your project to see the captions rendered. Your video with SRT subtitles is now ready for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.